standing here, this is Lady P, with you from Teardrop Entertainment, standing in front of Sedgwick Cedar with Phoenix Orion. We got some pioneers in the house. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, right now behind us, you got the Grand Wizard Theodore. He created the scratch. We got, Melly Mel, of course, from Grandmaster Flash and the Furious 5. We got your boy Busy B up in here, the Chief Rocker. We got Shy Rock. She's the first female MC. Who else we got over here? Look at the flyer. The flyer. For the party tonight, you got your boy Kool Herc, basically in 1973 on the block Sedgwick Cedar. He started hip-hop. He threw the first hip-hop party and the first block party on the block Sedgwick Cedar up in the Bronx in 1973. And can't forget your boy Grandmaster Caz, who basically wrote Rabbit's Delight, and the phrase, the hip-hop came from that song. So these are the pioneers of hip-hop, Sedgwick Cedar, Fall Magic 06, Teardrop Entertainment.
I understand that we're going to have a chance to see those pioneers a little bit later on.
Yeah, tonight at the Barcode, that's 5150 Spring Mountain Road. We got the pioneers that are throwing it down, showing these little youngsters out here, what the true hip hop is all about and how it started and the meaning of hip hop, which is love, peace, unity, and having fun.
Right now, we're going to take you to our next video. We'll be right back.